Hi everyone. So today we can discuss about Abhijnana Shakuntalam intro song. Okay. So Nandi Shloka. We can consider it as a Nandi Shloka. So from this Pravartadam Prakriti Hidaya Parthivaha is a part of Abhijnana Shakuntala. Abhijnana Shakuntala was written by Kalidasa. We already discussed about Kalidasa in detailed manner. So we can move to Shloka part. So what was the content over the Shloka? So here first they gave the Shlokas. We can move to the Shloka. Prabhopakridam bhagavataha paripatya khalu manyadeta vachananamanda manamsmadanam kopisa shastra kulapi netum. So then this is the correct translation. This is a correct shloka. So then we can move to the word by word meaning. Adhad, Atha, Dushyanta. So Dushyanta is the hero. Nayakaha asya Abhijnana Shakuntalasya Nayakaha Dushyantaha eva. Marutvadaha on Indra. Paripatya owing to the import. Prathamopakritam previous obligation. Laghu means light. Manyate consider. Saha api means Indraha also. Marutaha your. Apadana vibhinnaha the brilliant immemorable help. And na shrunvati does not count. So here what is that? You consider the previous obligation on Indra as slight owing to the honor done by you, Indra. He also astonished at your first does not take count the excellence of the reception. So it's already mentioned what is happening there. So after the Yuddha, because Dushyanta helped Indra for the Yuddha, and after they came back, Matali was Ratha Sarathi. So they are coming. So Indra giving the gratitude. You done a great job. Regarding that, about this shloka. So Abhijnana Shakuntala, first Nandi shloka we already discussed.